Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Note option not showing on your messengers. I will show you how to fix this. Okay, the simple step, you need to make sure that your messengers are up to date. If your messengers already up to date, but you still cannot see note option on your messengers, now you need to delete not only messengers app, Facebook app also. You need to delete both Facebook and messengers. I will delete messengers, remove app, delete app, completely delete everything. It should delete all messengers data and Facebook data. Delete Facebook also. After that, remember you need to restart your iPhone. You need the slide to power off and wait a minute, and then you can power on. After your iPhone power on, you need to reinstall Facebook and messengers. Remember to install Facebook first. After you finish, you need to go to messengers and re-login your account. Okay, after all the steps, you finally can see Note option will show in your messengers in iPhone. If the Note option still not showing on the messengers, please drop a like below and I will find out the way to solve your problems in the next videos. I hope you will like my videos and I will see you in my next videos. Thanks for watching.